Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to show desktop items both normally and in Stage Manager on Mac. So if you always want your desktop files and folders remain visible, regardless of whether Stage Manager is turned on or off, you'll need to enable both visibility options. Many users only enable one checkbox and wonder why the icons disappear after enabling Stage Manager. That's because macOS treat normal desktop mode and Stage Manager as two separate situations. So if you want desktop item to stay visible anywhere, whether you're using Stage Manager or not, then here's how you can do it. First, click on the Apple logo and choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Desktop and Dock, and here in the right side pane, you'll see a option Desktop and Stage Manager. Under Show Item, you'll see two check marks. Make sure to enable on desktop and in Stage Manager as well. When both options check, your desktop files and folders will remain visible during normal use or will also stay visible whenever you are using Stage Manager, and you won't need to change this setting again when switching Stage Manager toggle on or off. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.